In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances using Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to streamline your budgeting process, this guide will help you set up a clear and efficient financial tracker. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and log into your Notion account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up and get acquainted with its basic layout and features. Notion is a powerful tool for managing various aspects of your life, and finance tracking is one of its standout capabilities. Once you've logged into your account, the next step is to create a new page. It's as simple as navigating to your workspace and clicking on the Add a Page button. This will serve as the foundation for your finance tracker and where all your financial data will be recorded. Now, let's give your new page a meaningful name. Click on the title area and type Finance Tracker. Naming your page helps keep you organized, making it easy to locate and manage your financial documentation whenever you need to access it. With your page ready and named, it's time to set up your finance tracking database. In Notion, databases are versatile and allow for comprehensive data management. Begin by typing Table View into the page. This command creates a table, which will serve as the backbone of your finance tracker, where you'll input and analyze your financial transactions. Once your table is set up, go ahead and give it a specific name like Transactions. Naming the table helps designate it as the primary area where you'll enter all your financial dealings, such as expenses, income, and more. This clarity becomes especially helpful as your database grows over time. Now that you have your transactions table, the next step is to customize it according to your financial tracking needs. You can create columns and set properties you want to monitor. Typical columns might include date, description, category, amount, and payment method. Simply click on the headers to rename them and adjust their properties, such as setting the amount column to a currency format. You can also add other columns specific to your situation, like recurring payment or notes, which can give you additional insight into your financial habits. Each column serves a purpose, allowing you to categorize and document every incoming or outgoing transaction. This level of detail helps not only in budgeting, but in identifying spending patterns, making it easier to plan for the future and manage your money more effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a finance tracker in Notion. Keep this page updated by recording your transactions regularly. Over time, you'll have a clearer picture of your financial health, allowing you to make more informed budgeting decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you set up an effective finance tracking system in Notion.